Yeah, you know what I'm saying, man? Like if I really fuck with a nigga, I fuck with a nigga, you know? If I'm riding, baby. If I don't fuck with you, I don't fuck with you. I'm gonna clear that up. Don't wait, look. If you ride with me, then you know I ride with you. If you die for me, then you know I die for you. If they're my dog, then you know that they're my dog. If I don't fuck with you, then I don't fuck with y'all. If it's fuck me, then you know it's fuck you too. And if you ride for me, then I'm riding for you. That's on my set. If you my dog, you my dog. Middle fingers up and fuck the rest, dog. Look, if I don't fuck with him, I don't fuck with y'all. You ain't my homie, little nigga, you ain't my dog. You a peon, I'm a big dog. Make one call and get your ass knocked off. Marching like a soldier, but I told the sawed off. Nigga disrespect me, I'ma blow his balls off. Claim to be a man, but in the pen they slip the drawers off. Hit the streets acting like a man, you a bitch, dog. It's crazy how these niggas act like they mean. Look, behind closed doors, they be getting they back beating. What you mean, bitch, nigga? Ride with me, then you know I ride with you. If you die for me, then you know I die for you. If they're my dog, then you know that they're my dog. If I don't fuck with you, then I don't fuck with y'all. If I don't fuck with you, nigga, I don't fuck with y'all. That's your homie, that's your nigga, bitch, that's your big dog. What the fuck I look like after I cut you out? Still hanging with these niggas when I'm knowing they get dog. I don't trust snakes, so I keep some mouth balls. Keep my lung cut like the half on my balls. Your bitch wanna fuck, but she got some wide walls. I don't fuck just to fuck, so you know it costs. Fuck out a wig, then pass it to my dog. Real outlaw, play the game of butter. Yo, real outlaw, play the game of butter law. Hit licks, finesse, while I run up in the house. I don't trust these niggas, cause I know that they hoes. If you my nigga, you my nigga. If you're not, then it's no. Cross me if you wanna, then I'm off up in your sleep like Freddy. I put a bitch nigga to sleep. If you ride with me, then you know I ride with you. If you die for me, then you know I die for you. If they're my dog, then you know that they're my dog. If I don't fuck with you, then I don't fuck with y'all.